are going to make a remote controller car. First, we need some motor fixed here with screws using the clamp and the castrol wheel. Now, first I will explain the connection now. Take one piece of double-sided tape. Now, put this side here at this place. Now, see. Next, this is the breadboard with nano. This is the push button. And when we fix the breadboard with nano, then you already know these are the wheels of the racing car. When we fixed it, put the four side of push button at 3 lines, 3 pins from the next, take a jumper wire, put it the one jumper wire here and put it to the positive light of the breadboard. Then here to connect it and put it into the positive line of the breadboard. Then the motor one should be the orange color of this one should be at here. Then only it will go. The same others, other one should be at the negative line of the breadboard connected. One, you need to do the same. Any other wire should be fine, but one if for here the orange color should and the black color should only be here, then only it will go forward. Then like here, almost we are going to finish it. Take the battery, put this type of this into the battery. Then take a double-sided tape, cut it with scissors. Now put it underneath the battery. Remove this double-sided tape sheet. Then fix it here. Then put the positive line, the red wire of the battery, in the positive line of the breadboard. Then now don't forget to put the wheels. It is the important one. The wheels and the battery and the breadboard and the push buttons are important one for this one. Put and The motor is also important. Next, put this attach this wheels here. Now it's already finished. See. It is going close to you.